In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload photos to Jitter, a fast and simple motion design tool available on the web. Let's walk through this straightforward process to get your images uploaded with ease. First, you'll want to navigate to the Jitter website. Open up your preferred web browser and type in the URL for Jitter, or simply search for Jitter in your search engine. Once you're on the site, you'll be greeted by Jitter's user-friendly interface. You'll see immediately that it's designed to simplify all your motion design tasks. It's an especially great tool for those who enjoy animation and creating engaging visual content quickly. After you're comfortably settled on the home page, the next step is to locate the option that says My Files. It should be easily visible and accessible right from the main screen. This is essentially your workspace and where you'll manage all your files, whether they are in-progress projects or completed works. By clicking on My Files, you'll be taken to a section that displays all your current projects and also provides an opportunity to start fresh. Now you are ready to create a new file. You'll find the Create New File button within the My Files section. Clicking this option opens up a new canvas where you can begin building your latest design project. It's this space where the magic really starts to happen, as you can experiment and add different layers to your heart's content. Moving forward, to incorporate your image into this fresh canvas, simply look for the prompt that allows you to add an image or video layer. This is a very straightforward step that involves clicking the specified button. A window will pop up at this point, providing you with an interface to choose which image you'd like to upload from your computer. Make sure the image you select is already saved on your device, and if it isn't, you might want to take a moment to organize your files for easy access. Once the image window appears, go ahead and upload your chosen image. This part is quite intuitive. Just find your photo, select it, and Jitter will do the rest. There's a brief moment where your file uploads, and typically this goes rather quickly depending on the size of your image and the speed of your internet connection. And there you have it, your image is now successfully uploaded to Jitter. At this point, you should see your image appear on the canvas, ready for you to move, animate, or layer as needed for your project. Feel free to experiment with various features and tools that Jitter provides to enhance your design. You can now continue working on your project as needed, utilizing Jitter's range of creative features. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed learning how to upload photos to Jitter. Happy designing!